The first rays of the morning sun are breaking through your window, painting your room with a soft, golden glow. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to feel the quiet awakening around you. This is your moment, a sacred space where your heart can speak freely, where your soul can breathe, and where your spirit can be renewed. If you have been feeling the weight of doubt, uncertainty, or the weariness of life, know that this morning is a gift, a chance to reset, to reconnect, and to restore the faith and hope that may have felt distant. Let us begin this journey together, not as strangers, but as companions walking into a light that is already waiting to embrace us. Place your hands gently over your heart and feel the steady rhythm of your breath. Each inhale brings life, each exhale releases tension. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in the quiet strength of the morning, the gentle assurance that you are not alone, and the soft warmth of divine presence that surrounds you. As you exhale, release any lingering fears, doubts, or heaviness that have settled in your spirit. Allow this moment to be entirely yours, a sanctuary of peace, where hope can take root again. Now, let us speak together, softly, as if whispering to the part of your soul that has been longing for comfort. Creator of all, source of love and light, I come before you this morning with a heart that seeks renewal. Wash away the shadows of yesterday. Remove the burdens that cling too tightly. Restore within me a sense of faith that is steadfast, a hope that is unwavering, and a courage that is quiet but unshakable. Let your presence be my anchor today, guiding every thought, every choice, every step I take. As you speak these words, picture them as gentle ripples spreading across a still pond. Every word, every intention, carries energy, soft, powerful, transformative. Faith is not always a blazing fire. Sometimes, it is a quiet flicker, a subtle warmth that reminds us we are seen, loved, and guided. Hope is not always a loud declaration. Sometimes, it is a tender whisper that assures us the darkness is never permanent, that the dawn will always come. Let yourself feel these whispers now, filling your heart with their gentle truth. Consider the challenges you face, the moments when life feels heavy, when your strength feels insufficient. Visualize those struggles as clouds in the vast sky of your spirit. They may drift, they may gather, but they do not define the sky. Above them, your faith and hope are constant, unchanging, vast, and open. Reach out with your mind and your heart, touching that space above the clouds, where light pours in freely. Speak to it, I believe in your guidance. I trust in your timing. I open myself to your love and your mercy. Restore my hope, renew my courage, and fill my soul with the quiet confidence that I am never alone. As the sun continues to rise, imagine its light flowing through you, filling every corner of your being with warmth and clarity. Feel it touching your mind, gently clearing the fog of doubt. Feel it filling your chest, expanding your capacity to love and to trust. Feel it flowing down to your feet, grounding you, reminding you that even the smallest steps, taken in faith, carry you forward. This light, this presence, is your companion today. It is within you, around you, and moving through you, preparing you for all that lies ahead. Now, hold on to this image, a single seed in fertile soil. This seed represents your faith, fragile yet resilient, waiting for nourishment to bloom. Every thought of hope, every quiet act of trust, is like water and sunlight to that seed. You may not see immediate growth, but the energy is there, transforming you from within. Today, take a moment to nurture that seed. Speak softly to it, I will not give up. I will trust. I will hope. I will believe. Let these words sink into your spirit, like sunlight soaking into the earth, awakening what was dormant and calling it to life. You are standing at the threshold of a new day. A day that holds both challenges and blessings, both moments of stillness and moments of joy. As you take this next breath, feel yourself stepping into it fully, carrying the restored faith and hope that live quietly but powerfully within you. Let this prayer be a gentle reminder. No matter how heavy your heart may feel, there is always a source of light to return to, always a presence that will never leave you, and always a morning waiting to renew your spirit. Take one more deep, slow breath. Inhale the peace of this morning. Exhale the remnants of fear, worry, and doubt. Whisper to yourself, softly, I am held. I am guided. I am filled with hope. I am restored in faith. Feel the weight lifting, even slightly, as a new sense of possibility and calm begins to settle in your soul. And now, carry this moment with you, letting it gently guide the rhythm of your day. As you remain in this sacred space, feel the rhythm of your breath carrying you further into calm and clarity. Each inhale draws in a quiet strength, each exhale releases the tension that has been weighing on your spirit. Let yourself linger here for a moment, fully aware of the presence of divine guidance surrounding you. Today, and every day, you are invited to step into this awareness, to let it shape your thoughts, your choices, and the energy you bring into the world. Your faith is a river within you, always flowing, always sustaining, even when it seems hidden beneath the surface. Let us honor it now, with gentle intention and soft, affirming words. Whisper to your heart, I trust in your timing, even when the path seems unclear. I trust in your wisdom, even when I do not understand. I trust in your love, even when the world feels heavy. These words are not simply spoken, they are felt, breathed into your being, and allowed to resonate within every cell. Faith is a living presence, one that grows not only in times of certainty but also in moments of doubt. Allow yourself to feel its quiet power now. Imagine it as a warm light within your chest, radiating outward, filling your heart, your mind, your body, and even the space around you. This light is steady, unwavering, and ever-present. No matter what challenges may arise, it is a part of you, always accessible, always sustaining. Now, let your mind drift gently to the possibilities that this day may hold. Visualize yourself walking through the day with grace and resilience, each step guided by the faith you are nurturing in this moment. When obstacles appear, imagine yourself approaching them with calm determination, knowing that the light within you is more powerful than any shadow outside. Allow your hope to take shape as a quiet, unwavering companion at your side. It does not need to shout to be effective, its strength lies in its subtle, persistent presence. Hope is the gentle nudge that reminds you to try again, to reach higher, to believe that better days are not only possible but already on their way. Take a moment to speak directly to that hope within you. I welcome you into my life today. I honor your guidance. I allow your quiet strength to lead me, to comfort me, and to lift me above worry and fear. Feel the resonance of these words as they settle within your spirit, grounding you in a sense of inner peace. Know that this is not a fleeting feeling but a seed planted deep within your being, ready to grow and bloom as you nurture it with continued faith and intention. As you continue to breathe, imagine that every breath carries away doubt and fear, while filling you with clarity, courage, and a renewed sense of purpose. Picture yourself carrying this calm, this restored hope, into every corner of your life, into your work, your relationships, your personal aspirations. Let it infuse every interaction, every decision, every challenge with the gentle power of faith that trusts even in the unseen, and hope that shines even in the dimmest moments. Now, allow yourself to place your hands once more over your heart and silently offer this prayer of deep restoration. Divine Presence, I surrender my worries and my fears into your care. I open my heart fully to the guidance of faith and the assurance of hope. Let these gifts flow through me freely, touching every thought, every word, every action. Remind me that I am never alone, that your love surrounds me, and that each new day brings the possibility of renewal, joy, and peace. Strengthen me, calm me, and restore me, so that I may walk in confidence, compassion, and courage. Feel the energy of these words resonating within you, like ripples moving through a still lake. Every whisper of your intention, every silent plea of your heart, is being heard and embraced. Trust that the restoration you seek is already taking place within you. Let yourself linger in this space of quiet assurance for a few moments, allowing the calm, the hope, and the faith to anchor deeply in your soul. As this meditation draws to a close, take one final deep, nourishing breath. Feel the fullness of life entering your body, the expansion of peace in your mind, and the warmth of hope filling your heart. Whisper gently to yourself, "I am renewed. I am guided. I am filled with faith and hope. I am ready for this day." Carry this feeling with you, knowing that this morning's prayer has planted a lasting seed within you, a seed that will continue to grow, flourish, and illuminate your path, no matter what unfolds. Now slowly open your eyes, carrying the serenity, the trust, and the light you have nurtured here into the world. Remember that every morning offers this same opportunity for renewal. Every day, you can return to the sacred space within your heart, and every day, you can restore your faith and hope, no matter how heavy life may feel. Stand in this quiet strength, breathe in the possibility of this new day, and step forward with a soul that is calm, grounded, and radiant with renewed faith and unwavering hope.